Hi guys, Squirrely here. Can you believe it? I am at Silverstone, the iconic British track, home of the British Grand Prix. And I am going to drive this, the Porsche GT3 RS, around Silverstone. I'm going to take you with me. Now this is a VR180 video, which means you've got a number of ways that you can watch it. If you're watching on a phone, don't forget that you can look around inside the cockpit. If you're on PC, get the mouse and drag to look around. If you want to go for a 3D view, cheapest way is to get yourself a Google Cardboard like this, put your phone in the back, and you can look through the lenses in 3D and look around inside. For the very best experience, you want to get yourself a VR headset, something like a HTC Vive or an Oculus Rift S. Put that on and you'll get a truly immersive 3D experience as we take this car around Silverstone racetrack. Guys, it's a maggots. Get on the brake. Left at Beckett's. Tyres are screeching. Hard on the gas down the Hanger Straight. Brakes for Stowe, tricky bend this one. Can't see the exit properly. Let this guy go past. Hard on the brakes. This is a tricky one. Steering's heavy through here. Coming out with club. Stay wide. Cops. Back end's getting squirrely there. Left in the loop. Back off slightly out of Aintree. Hard on the gas down the Wellington Straight. Brakes. Ease off on the brakes. Left at Brooklands. Round Luffield. Just keep it on the inside. Get the power on. Stay wide. Then cut back in. Car's squirming around a bit. Completes a lap of Silverstone. Wow, I hope you guys found that as exhilarating as I did. Going out of Luffield and barreling down the pit straights, going through Stowe, all the way down the Wellington Straight at like 150 miles an hour, braking into Brooklands. This thing handles so well. What a beast of a car. I want to thank Porsche GB for allowing me to use this car and take it around Silverstone today. I hope you found it as an enjoyable and immersive experience as I did. I'm going to go and have a quick chat with Porsche now and see if they'll let me take this car home. So until the next video guys, take care and happy racing.